Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Well, we got the computer back today, so they said they replaced the screen because it had white spots, not a scratch. Yeah, okay. They said they cleaned it and it all went away. And I cleaned it myself about 3 or 4 times before I sent it, and it didn't go away. Jagged edges and all that. Yeah, they even had the photos finally. So, anyway, whatever. Let's find out if this puppy is operational the way it should be, and if it is, well then I guess we can take it apart, put my RAM back in, and a new drive we're going to test out, which is already set up with Windows 11. Alright, what do we got here? LCD screen showing bright and or dark dots, bright or dark. Add or replace new parts can solve this problem. LCD panel replace parts. Okay, well, you know what time it is, flashlight time, hang on. Well, whoever cleaned stuff, all of that left their fingerprints behind. Makes you wonder if they even cleaned it or changed it at all. Oh, even got some fresh score marks. Little scratches. Yeah, I bet you. Alright, let's fire this thing up and see what happens. Have to give it a good cleaning ourselves later, I guess. Not sure how much battery power is left, but well, this is interesting. Oh, there we go. Now it's finally going to light up. Took long enough. Alright. Phone. You know we're going to have to sign back into Windows, right? More than likely. Yep. Alright, this is my thing. I will be right back instant for you. Well guys, it's now setting up Windows and getting me the latest version of Windows 11 to screw up my PC. You know how it works. Windows World, right? Anyhow, this is going to be a little bit. So for now, I'm going to just shut the camera off and get this thing set up. And we'll be back. Instant for you. And we're back. So, looks like Type-C port works. Just making sure everything functions right, you know. Come on, you little thing. This should be working on Type-A. Okay, that's not a very good sign. Ah, hang on. Ah, that was my bad. Okay, that one works. That one works. That one works. Alright. So if all that works, the HDMI should work. I just don't feel like farting with the cable right now. Okay, so looks like we're back up in operation. And yeah, got it set up as a new PC and they still do this cloud garbage. Ugh. Anyways, let's go into our program here. And this PC, yeah, we're still half a terabyte, that's fine. Memory crate. Yeah, I'll agree, because I don't have a choice, do I? Oh, come on. Oh, I gotta scroll down. And next. And close. Not yet. Wow, now that's interesting. It's not even reading my memory frequency of my RAM. It's not telling me how much RAM is in here. Okay. That's a new one. Interesting. Is there a problem with the program or what? Let's go. Update center. Check for updates. That's a first. Memory crate, lighting effect, yep, all needs to be updated. Alright, update it all now. And again, we'll be back. Back again. Let's see if it works this time. Yeah, and what do we got? 16 gigs of RAM, 3200 megahertz. La la. Performance mode where it should be. Okay, looks like everything's back to normal. Just needed an update. Alright, so I think it's time we shut this little puppy down because this drive's getting formatted anyway after I verify that the new one is working fine. And then we're going to put the 500 in the alternate slot. So I'll have a 500 gig dump drive. Unless I take the one out of my spare case here, because it's got my backup. I don't know. We'll figure it out, though. Anyhow. So, I think that's it. Unhook that. Close the lid. So, as far as I can tell, everything's working. And I re-cleaned the screen with a microfiber and some fluid. And, yeah, those little scuffies went away. I don't know what they used to clean the screen with, but they smeared it and somebody left their fingerprint in the corner. But whatever, it seems to be working, so we have to take it from there. So yeah, time to put in the new drive that we want to test out and stuff. And a little heads up, it's a Crucial P3 Plus, 5,000 megabytes per second. 2 terabytes, yeah! And anyways, that ought to do me for the next I don't know how many years. But I'm thinking we're going to put the 500 across to the other side, that or I'll put a 1 terabyte to the other side, and that'll give us 3 terabytes total. Which isn't a bad thing either, and then I can use the 500 for something else. But anyhow, got to put my 64 gigs RAM in too. We're not doing all that on camera. So I'm going to say that it appears as if they've fixed it. Appears that everything's working correctly, and we no longer have a across the screen, so that's a good sign. So whatever they did, they did. They were supposed to be replacing the screen, which I don't know if I'm reading the paperwork correctly. It sounds like they did. Where did I put the paperwork now? Somewhere. I had it. I don't know where it went. Oh, there it is. So according to their paperwork, it says here, LCD screen showing bright or dark dots. That's the problem. Action, add or replace new parts can solve this problem. Replace parts, LCD panel. So apparently they put a new panel in. I take it. No charge to me anyways. But my warranty is pretty much done with Asus now. It ends sometime this October, and then after that I deal with MDG directly for my extended 2-year warranty. So as long as everything stays holding together between now and the time the warranty with Asus expires, at least we'll be fine. Let's hope so. Anyway, that's it. That's all. Yeah. Either way, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.